Today we're going to make tandoori salmon and we have all our ingredients here. It's a very simple dish, so let's get cooking. I've made a mint chutney to go with it, as you can see, and we're going to try that now. Our tandoori fish is ready, so I'm going to give it a try. It does make a difference just having a little something on the fish, because sometimes when I cook it, and I just add in a little olive oil, but just adding this tandoori mixture just gives it a little kick. And you can just try it with a bit of mint and rice. That's got lovely. So enjoy this and watch my next video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.